Meaning of Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn. Holiday Inn is a hotel chain that originated in the United States. It was founded in 1952 as a way to provide affordable lodging for families traveling on vacation. The name Holiday Inn is meant to evoke a sense of relaxation and leisure, with the word holiday referring to vacation time. Today, Holiday Inn is a global brand with over 1,100 hotels worldwide. The chain offers a range of accommodations, from budget-friendly rooms to more luxurious suites, making it a popular choice for travelers of all kinds.